How to send from GCash to PayMaya. First, grab your phone and open the GCash app. Once you're in the GCash app, look for the transfer option on the main screen and tap on it. After tapping transfer, you'll see a list of some banks and wallets. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on View All to see the full list of available options. In the View All section, there's a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type Maya. When Maya Wallet appears in the search results, tap on it. Now, you'll need to enter some information. Amount, how much money you want to send. Account name, the name of the person receiving the money. Account number, the PayMaya account number of the receiver. Send receipt to, an email address if you want a receipt sent. Once you've entered all the necessary details, tap on the Send Money button at the bottom of the screen. The app will guide you through a few more steps to confirm the transfer. Follow these prompts to complete your transaction. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helped you send money from GCash to PayMaya easily. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.